Leon.
I'm Rhys, and welcome to
Benny and Beyond in Wales. Good morning. You join us in the Bracken Beacons. I believe this, no, get out of the way. This is Talybont Reservoir.
Oh, it's beautiful.
That's where we've been parked up for the night. We're in sort of like a lay-by with a couple of other
It's been
campers.
lovely and quiet.
Really
there's two other
nice.
campers with us. We were just chatting along. It was lovely.
Yeah, we've had a great evening. So we cooked some dinner and we just bedded down for the night. We were exhausted.
Yeah, it got a bit late.
We actually left one evening earlier than we planned.
Yeah, we were supposed to leave in about half an hour from now.
Yeah.
But we've made some distance already.
So we're now like an hour and a half ahead, which is great.
Hello. You joining us in what we're in?
Elan Village.
Elan Village.
Or the Elan Valley, I guess.
Yeah, it's a tiny little place. I wouldn't call it a village as such. Tons of sheep.
Oh yeah, there's just sheep by there.
It's all around us.
Sheep
But it's a lovely river running straight through. I was going to do a pan to you and you're just like...
There's something in my shoe.
Oh.
Oh, you can hear it. Oh, I hate that.
Oh, that was not nice.
Lunch is served.
Yum.
Update time. So we left the Elan Valley. It was really nice, wasn't it?
No, it was lovely.
It's beautiful.
We didn't stay there too long because we have a plan on where we want to get to.
Like an itinerary.
Yeah, and it's not too far from home, so I think we'll just go back probably for a weekend because there's so much to explore there.
Yeah.
We couldn't do it in a day, even if we wanted to.
Maybe do like a two-nighter up there. We'd really enjoy that.
Yeah.
So you've got these beautiful like hiking trails, cycling trails. Looks like you can do quite a bit up there,
There's
doesn't
a
it?
load of cyclists, tons of them, and there's like designated cycle paths off the road as well.
Yeah.
Now it's been raining on and off, also drizzling. Everywhere we're going to, it's been covered in rain, so I think we're like chasing it.
Yeah.
But we're going to risk it, go for this nice waterfall walk that we feel is really
We're gonna
good. Name will
risk
be
it for a
somewhere
biscuit.
up there or down there. Okay, great, thanks for that. I'm going to do that now.
Yeah, you can enjoy that.
So we're going to do that walk, and then our plan is to find a park probably south of Snowdonia.
Yes, we're going to risk it for a biscuit, go for a walk. Hopefully it doesn't rain while we're walking
Yeah,
because
I'm
we're
not taking out my
both
shorts.
wearing
Yeah,
shorts.
and I'm not changing. Walk has started off quite well.
It's not very well signposted though. I don't know where we're supposed to be going.
Right.
I assume we just
That way.
follow it up there.
So we're on the way to the waterfall, and we thought this would be a good time to actually tell you what we have in plan. In plan?
What we have planned.
We have planned or in store.
Leave our sheep.
Oh yeah. For this Welsh trip. Obviously we've grew up in Pembrokeshire, if you didn't know, down in West Wales. Incredible place, but we have been to Brecon, been to Snowdonia, but we want to explore as much of our country as possible.
Yeah, definitely.
But people don't really realise how much beauty is just on your doorstep if you just look.
This peak, can you see it in the distance?
Just by there.
It looks really high.
It looks nice.
Worth it.
Can you see those people all the way up there? That little white dot.
I'm not doing that.
Nah, I'm alright.
We are now on our way back. We would have preferred to get a bit closer, wouldn't we?
Yeah, we were planning on going a little bit higher up because there's a few smaller waterfalls branching
There's like a little
off.
swimming pool at the bottom.
But I don't know if you can tell, but it started raining just as we got there. Oh, hold on. But yeah, it started raining, so we're trying to hightail it back to the van before we get caught.
The ground is a little bit like clay as well, isn't it?
Yeah,
I'm a bit worried that if it gets wet, it's going to get boggy.
so I'll meet you back at the van.
Yeah. Ooh,
Bloody hell.
it's raining.
It is raining now.
Oh, I'm soaked.
But man, that was a beautiful walk.
Great waterfall. Really nice. Oh, it looks like you're like, on the walk down, it looks like you're in Colombia or something because the hills are covered in luscious like forest.
Yeah, like just thick green.
It's really pretty down there.
Well worth it, even in
Would
the rain.
recommend, even in the rain. Right, where are we going now?
Find a park up is the next job and think about food.
I'm starving. Are you hungry?
Oh yes.
I'm starving. Oh look! That's where my head was. Oh, I look like a drowned rat. Let's go. Finally found somewhere to sleep.
It is 8:30, which is about 2 hours later than we were hoping.
Yeah.
Instead of south Snowdonia, we are north.
North.
So we've actually got to tomorrow head back about half an hour to go and see.
To go do the Llanberis Pass past
Yes.
Snowdon. We want to go see the slate quarry that's there and a castle that's there.
Yeah, so it's not too far, but I mean, it's worth it.
Yeah.
The spot's great.
We'll show you the view.
Look at that. Not a bad park up for the night, eh?
Dinner tonight, we are doing a taco pasta recipe. So you've got like some mince, pasta, taco seasoning, some veg to go in. We've never tried this one, have we?
No, no, we haven't. We had a taco seasoning kit, like
Yeah.
seasoning packet, and just built around that.
It's a one pot recipe as well, which is
Yes.
perfect for van life.
Yes, one pot recipes are just brilliant. It just means cleaning. I have to clean all less, and that's really it.
It's what we did last night as well, wasn't it? And it was much easier.
Yeah, exactly. So hopefully it's good. I'm starving.
Yeah, we've never tried it, so
No, fingers crossed.
Are you okay?
Should we try off a nice relaxing dinner? Oh, no.
Why is he screaming?
I'm going to do that all night. He's fuming if he does that.
Why is he screaming though?
Why was I saying he?
I don't know, it's a you, innit?
Yeah, obviously.
Wind your neck in. Oh, she's still going.
Food's looking good. Nearly done. Got a congregation over here. All's well.
It's our mates.
Ready for dinner?
Yeah, I'm starving. And dinner is served. It looks great. It smells really
It
good.
does actually smell amazing.
So we're super excited. Let you know how it is.
morning.
Morning.
Brilliant spot. It was a bit windy.
Yeah, we're like right on top of the hill, so
Yeah. The benefit, this spot, by the way, if you're coming through, great spot to stay the night. We've got tons of space.
yeah.
It is very quiet. There's just sheep about.
It's just a tiny bit sloped,
Yeah.
but
It's not too bad,
It's
especially
fine.
if you're trucks, obviously. It's not an issue at all. But you can see, as you've seen in the photos, for miles.
you can see out the window. Yeah, we've been to the railway before. It's really good. We enjoyed it, didn't we?
Yeah, we went for your birthday.
Yes, a couple of years ago now.
Yeah. It was completely foggy. You are in the shop, though.
Yes, it was very foggy, and we didn't see a lot,
No.
but we enjoyed it.
Nice though.
It was a good, yeah. I bet in the sun it's amazing.
We've been through this road once or twice before, and it's incredible every time.
If you've never been to Snowdonia, you must come. It is 10 out of 10.
We've been to quite a few national parks,
Yeah.
and Snowdonia
It's my
is,
favourite.
is definitely our favourite.
Did you see that?
Oh, where's he gone?
I don't want to get too close. Have you seen the size of his horns?
They're massive.
Oh my god, there's loads of them. Look at that other one. Oh my god.
What do we do? I guess we just...
Slowly carry on. Oh, there's big Anna. Oh my god.
just
I thought on it.
oh my god, the horns.
Look at this one up there.
I know.
If they come near us, do we run?
I don't know.
The Welsh mountain goats friendly?
I don't know what their temperament is. There's two up there. They don't even look real.
Where I only see
Oh,
one.
God, there's so many.
Hi.
Holy.
Hi, mate. Don't mind us.
Yeah. Oh, look at him, Ethan. Look. He's on the...
Wow, I've only ever seen one like at the side of the road. I've never seen them in person this close. I don't want to get too close because they've got babies with them. Don't think it would be wise.
Tim Ethan. What a surprise.
Hello. Wow. Look at his horns. It kind of looks like a tree.
Yeah.
Like, you know, with like the rings of a tree. There's one there. There's one there.
What is... What? Oh. Hello. Hello. Something else.
Big slag. Slag. That was my big joke.
Here you can see some like, remnants of the old quarry.
I believe.
You can see some people walking up.
This was actually once the second largest quarry in the world, and people travelled, well, men at the time, travelled from all over North Wales to come and work here. And during like the 1890s, the 1920s, it was actually one of the biggest slate distributors and roofed houses all over the world.
I mean, you can see that.
It's incredible. The slag heaps here are huge. I've never seen any this big. It's mad, isn't it?
Thank you so much for watching the first episode in this Welsh trip series. If you made it this far, feel free to subscribe, as in the next video we explore Anglesey and its fantastic coast and crystal clear waters, as well as all the beautiful views it has to offer. And you know we had to visit, well,
Llanfair, Pwllgwyngyll o Gerrig, Gwyndrobo, Llandysilio, Gogogoch.